Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering new QC35 II pads, a small flat spudger, and a clean cloth. This prevents grease and lint transfer. Power the headset off, then rotate the ear cup 90 degrees to find the seam. Use the spudger to pry gently between pad and plastic ring because the clips are fragile. Doing one side first helps you remember cable routing and clip positions. Once the lip releases, fold the old pad back slowly so you don't stretch or break the retainer ring. You now remove the old pad by peeling it evenly around the entire 360 degrees. This avoids tearing the retainer. Inspect the speaker membrane and wiring because dirt or a pinched cable can cause sound issues later. If the retainer ring is bent, reshape it gently. If the foam is damaged, replace it. Clean the housing with a microfiber cloth and use a 70% isopropyl Q-tip for sticky residue. This ensures the new pad adheres properly and preserves. You align the new pad by matching its tabs to the housing notches, then press evenly around the circumference until each clip snaps. Make sure the cable routing is identical to the other side and that the foam sits flat to create a uniform seal. This matters for bass response. Once installed, power on and play familiar audio to check channel balance and comfort. If you hear buzzing or low bass, open the cup and ensure no debris or misaligned retainer is pinching the driver. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.